exceeds exceeds human PhD level accuracy on benchmark of physics, biology, chemistry. Places among the top 50 students in the USA qualify for the USA Math Olympiad. AI model which think OpenAI O1 Mini excels at STEM, especially math and coding. So this is a OpenAI new AI model OpenAI O1, which is OpenAI's. Here you can see that $50 per 1 million token for a single AI model, 60 $60 for 1 million plus tokens. This is the most this is the most expensive model of OpenAI ever created. Here you can see the GPT-4 Omni, which is a pretty fast model. Even this is $0.150 one per 1 million token. And now you can see that what is the difference between O1 model and Omni model, which is created by OpenAI just 3 to 4 months ago. So what exactly the point here what I'm trying to tell you. So now here you can see that this the OpenAI O1 model is pretty accurate but not faster. What is the reason to create this model is the fill the gap between the context level which a LLM can take about the user and develop a thinking chain between the last prompt you gave to the AI and the current prompt which you gave to the AI. In this video you can see that a founder of Cognition Lab, which is a founder of Devin, make an HTML snake game in just a minute. But that is not the case. This is even GPT-4 can do that. What is the main thing here is the model. The model builds an HTML snake game pretty fast and also except then follow prompt which is the obstacle. I highly recommend you to watch that video. We know that model is pretty accurate and exceeds in science, coding and math. Exceeds in science, coding, math and many more. So now the next thing about OpenAI is they partnered with Cognition Labs. So what is Cognition Lab? This is a parent company of Devin AI. So everybody know Devin AI, right? So software engineer who supposed to replace developers. Now we know that the Devin AI video was fake, but here is what happens. Devin AI launched, everyone scared. Then they discovered that the Devin AI video was fake, but now we know that Devin AI partnered with OpenAI, so now we know that with the help of OpenAI, Devin means Cognition Lab, which is the parent company of Devin AI, is now going to build something new, something that will shake the internet. So, what are my thoughts now? So, I think that let's think of the reality now. So, the only this is not about the this is not about the OpenAI over model. This is in generic of OpenAI, in generic of LLM or AI model. So as the time passes, we already know that AI is going to be more knowledge advanced and more human-like intelligence. So Instead of afraid of AI to lose your job, I highly recommend you to use that AI product. Use the AI model to build something. This is the only thing that keep you saving in this market. Job is not the only thing that you need to do to make yourself happy and earn the money. I highly recommend you to that use the AI models to build something. This is the fundamental outcome of coding, that you build something. Job was never the outcome of coding. Even the high even the high level programming, you also know that the main outcome of coding, which is to build products and build something that solves anyone's problems, or at a time of building it you need to have some fun. There is a limit of how much a job can be generated in the software industry. So you also know that the golden era of IT is gone. Everyone is everyone is searching for job in the IT market. The mechanical, the electronical, the electrical, the chemical engineers are also developing software in the IT industry and looking for the job. Job was never supposed to be outcome of coding. The outcome of coding is the outcome of coding is one thing, which is build a solution for the problems. You are not a true software developer if you are not solving any problems. So that is the